Hello viewers, welcome to yet another episode of our tutorial video class. So in this tutorial video, today we are going to learn how to equip our bedroom facility with the different furniture and equipment associated with different bedrooms. So before we proceed, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right down below, and so that you cannot miss our future tutorial videos that we'll be putting up in this platform. So to start us off, we are going to select the object tool button there, and then we are going to select the different bedroom appliances that are relevant to this facility. So we'll just scroll down in the object default tool settings panel, and we will go right to bed. Then we'll click on that. Then from this you have a host of different beds that you can select. So for me, I'll take a double bed. For that, then I'll click it. So before I even click OK, I think there are unnecessary adjustments that I can make based on the sizings. So I can change this to 2000, and I think that is okay. Then I can then transform this to something like 2200. Then I'll click OK. Then I'll have it positioned there. So I can make I can move it to my best position by clicking on the drag tool. Then I position it there. Then next to it, I can decide and have maybe like a drawer somewhere there. Remember, it's all about the appliances, so I'll click on that. Then I can change this size to 700, then this height to 550. Then I'll click OK. Then I'll position it right there. Then I can do some. I want to move this bed just right to next to the window. Then I'll drag it here. Yes. So we can also check on 3D, see how it's coming along. So we can drag it next to the bed, and drag this next to the bed. Somewhere there. Then we'll go back to the object tool, look at any other furniture that is relevant to our beds. We can even look at cabinets. You can look at a wardrobe variable. I'll click on that. Then I can put it right here. So look at how, yeah, so you can see that it's a bit small, so I can change its size. I can increase the width by say 800, or rather that is the height. Then the width I can increase to say 1200. Then I'll click OK. Then I'll move it can move it next to the wall. Then I think that is okay. Then we'll go to another important tool. So you can check on another, you can check on a chair. Of course, an armchair just right next to the bed. Then I'll have it like 800, and then this is also 700, and that is okay. So I'll click on somewhere here where I can just position it, then move it a bit. Check on 3D. Yes. Then still on more objects that we can add. You can check on other furnishings. Look at appliances. Of course, these ones are can check on. You can look at a table. Look at a wall mount table. Of course, you can have something to place there. So we can have this here and check. Of course, we'll check on the height. So it's that one is a bit low, so we can let us have it as at a height of say 500. Sorry, we need to click on it first. So we'll change the dimensions, change the height. We'll have it as say 500. I think that is okay. Then we look. I think that is reasonable. That's a standard one. So we can also look at more of these appliances. Let us see a furniture layout. Then decoration. Yes, you can have a picture, and okay, let us start with a mirror. So we can have it at 700, and then change this to 80. Then we click OK. Then we will position it we will position it just right next to the shelf here. You can position it next to the shelf. So we'll rotate it, because as you can see from the 3D, it's not very elaborate, so we'll rotate it by clicking the move tool and then click on the rotate. Then I'll select a point here, then just rotate it nicely. Yes, then we'll ensure that it is right to the wall. And that is okay. We can check on the 3D. I think that is okay. And then we can go to other forms of decorations. Another picture, and then at that we can put it somewhere here. So our work will be to rotate it, ensure that it is on the wall. So we will make sure it's 90 degrees, then you can now move it safely to the wall. Still not on the wall, so we can make sure it's yeah. So I believe that is okay. So we can check on 3D how these things are coming out. You can rotate, and you can see it's a bit low, so we can change that. Let us click on it, then raise it a bit higher, so we can have a height of say 1000, and then we click OK. Then you see how it's I think now it's fair enough. Yeah, so that is it. So I believe that we can still continue with other bedroom appliances. Feel free to give a comment on what equipment or a furniture that we would like to equip our bedroom with in the comment section below, and I'll be able to have a look at it. And for more of these, you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and so that we can continually develop, and even you can also share with the rest of the members. For now, have a good time. Thank you.